Hello, beautiful people. So, I hope you're doing well. So, are you ready for today's class? Because you're gonna learn a lot of different things today. Oh, let's move to our list of contents, which means that what we're gonna discuss in today's lesson. So, in today's lesson, we're gonna discuss introduction, obviously, the importance of English, daily use vocabulary, sentences with each word, mini conversation practice, as well as conclusion. So, first of all, let's move toward the introduction. So, in introduction, first of all, why English is important, why we should learn it. That's the important question which comes in everybody's mind. So, the importance of English is because it's the language which is being spoken globally, and in order to adapt to any environment, it's very important to learn English language. And because of technological advancement, it's very important, like English plays a very important role in the global context and provides various benefits. So technological advancement is one of that reason that we should learn English language. So without wasting our time, let's move toward the vocabulary words which we're gonna learn today. So the first vocabulary word is accomplish. What's the meaning of accomplish? Like, you must have heard about that word, accomplish. So accomplish means to successfully complete something. The second word is acknowledge. So the meaning for acknowledge is to accept or recognize something. Like, you're accepting that, yeah, okay, I accept it. So you're gonna say this word acknowledge. After that, it's anticipate. So the meaning for anticipate is to expect something in the future. The fourth word is negotiate. You must have heard about it, like we should negotiate about that thing. So negotiate is to discuss in order to reach an agreement. After that, the fifth word is regulate, which means to control or manage something. After that, the last word is sustain. The meaning for sustain is to keep something going for a long time. Like, you want to keep something going for a long time, then you're going to use this word sustain. Let's move towards sentences so that you can understand the words more clearly. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's go for it then. So the sentences are here right in front of you. So the first word was accomplish, which means I can't believe, like, which means you already know. Accomplish was to successfully complete. So the sentence for that accomplish is I can't believe I accomplished all the tasks before lunch. Like, you can't believe it, I did it. Let's move toward the second word, which is acknowledge. So the sentence for acknowledge is you must acknowledge your mistakes before you can improve. You already know that meaning. The acknowledge meaning is to accept. It means you're accepting that thing. So the sentence for that acknowledge is you must acknowledge, you must accept your mistakes before you can improve. Let's move toward the third word, which is anticipate. So the meaning for anticipate was to expect something in the future, that you are expecting that, oh, something gonna happen in the future to you. So the sentence for that word is anticipate. I didn't anticipate that the weather would change so quickly, that you haven't even thought that the weather would change so quickly. Let's move to the negotiate, which the meaning of that word is to discuss in order to reach an agreement. Like, you are discussing so that you can come to the conclusion. So the sentence for negotiate is I had to negotiate with my little brother to get my charger back. Oh, that's a fight negotiation. So let's move toward the regulate. So the meaning for regulate is to control or manage something. And the sentence is right here, which is I really need to regulate my sleep schedule. The last one is sustain, and you already know the meaning for sustain, which was to keep something going for a long time. So are you ready to know about the sentence of sustain? That's a very important one, because the sentence, the word itself is very important, because sustainability is very important in life. So the sentence for it is it's hard to sustain motivation without a good routine. That's a fact. That if you have not a good routine, you are not consistent, it's very hard to sustain your motivation. So let's move toward a mini conversation practice. Are you ready for it? So this is the mini conversation practice, which is between two students or between two friends. So named as Aisha and Ali, which is a very common name. Maybe if you must heard about these names. So I chose these names too for the conversation, which is Aisha. Aisha is saying that Ali, did you accomplish your assignments today? Did you completed your assignments today with the so here she used the word accomplish. So next sentence is Ali is answering not yet but acknowledge. But acknowledge I wasted too much time. Like he's accepting his mistake. He acknowledged that I wasted too much time. Now Aisha is saying that see I anticipated this. You always delayed your work. So it means you already know like about him that he always delay his work. So she's saying that see I anticipated this. You always delay your work. Now, Ali, okay, fine. Can we negotiate about this? Can we talk about this to come to conclusion with this mean? So if I finish by tonight, you make me tea. Wow, what a great negotiation. They must be sister and brother. After that, Aisha, deal. But you really need to regulate your routine. You have to complete your routine. After that, Ali, I know without a routine, it's hard to sustain motivation. So it means that was a good conversation between them that they are motivating each other to sustain, right? To sustain the motivation. Let's move toward developing skills overview. So you have to know about these four key elements that need to be mastered during the journey of English language. You should be good in listening, you should be good in speaking, you should be good in reading and writing. You have to keep in mind these four elements in order to make your journey more easy and applicable, like easy to apply. So now let's move toward developing listening skills. In order to develop your listening skills, you have to do these three things, which are learn to English podcasts. The second is using audiobooks, and the last one is language apps with an audio focus. After that, it's like improving speaking skills. How you can improve your speaking skills? So for that, you should join a speaking club, or you can do conversation practice with your siblings, parents, or friends. After that, that's the end of our lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments below. And thank you so much because you learned a lot today. If you have any question, feel free to ask. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.